What does automated invoice processing in SAP actually look like? Most people only see the invoice. They don't see the matching, the validation, the approval workflow, or how finance teams can eliminate hours of manual work every week. In this video, we'll explore how Doxis helps automate invoice processing in SAP, from matching and exception handling to approvals and posting. Let's take a look. Once an invoice enters the process, visibility becomes critical. Here, users can see incoming invoices together with their current processing status. At a glance, it's easy to identify which invoices are processing automatically and which require attention. Filters help users focus on the invoices they're responsible for and quickly identify exceptions that need review. This gives accounts payable teams a clear overview of the invoice process. The next step is verification. Doxis automatically compares the invoice against related purchasing documents available in SAP, purchase orders, goods receipts, and supplier information. Prices, quantities, and other relevant details can be checked automatically. This helps ensure that what was ordered, delivered, and invoiced aligns correctly. When everything matches, the invoice can continue through the process with minimal manual effort. Not every invoice can be processed automatically. That's why Doxis highlights potential issues that may require review. For example, duplicate invoices or discrepancies in supplier information. Instead of manually searching for problems, users can focus directly on exceptions. This helps teams spend less time investigating routine transactions and more time resolving the issues that matter. When adjustments are needed, invoice information can be reviewed directly from the same process. Users can verify header information, review line items, and make changes when necessary before processing continues. Related purchasing information remains easily accessible throughout the review process. Some invoices require approval before posting. When approval is needed, the responsible user is notified automatically. Approvers can review the original invoice, access supporting information, and approve or reject directly within SAP. By automating approval routing, organizations can reduce delays and keep invoices moving efficiently throughout the process. Once matching, validation, and approvals are complete, the invoice is ready for posting. With a single action, the invoice moves from review to posting. The corresponding SAP invoice document is created automatically. This helps reduce processing effort while maintaining visibility throughout the workflow. Behind every posted invoice is a complete processing history. Every review, every approval, every decision. This helps organizations maintain visibility, traceability, and compliance throughout the invoice lifecycle. The result is a transparent process that supports both operational efficiency and governance requirements. Let's recap. Incoming invoices become visible in a centralized process. Matching against SAP purchasing documents happens automatically. Potential issues are highlighted for review. Approvals are routed to the right people, and approved invoices are posted directly into SAP. In other words, automated invoice processing in SAP is the process of matching, validating, approving, and posting invoices through a structured workflow while reducing manual effort and improving visibility. The result is a faster, more transparent invoice process with less manual effort. That's how automated invoice processing in SAP works with Doxis. If you're evaluating invoice automation for SAP, we'd be happy to show you Doxis in action. You can explore our SAP invoice automation resources or book a personalized demo using the links below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching!